Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2023 Hyundai i30 stock number 7133. It's ran from the 3rd 2017 to the 12th 2023. There's a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 16-inch FWD tyre. Left door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch FWD tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch FWD tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch FWD tyre, right front door card, right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.